Mum? Listen, I've...
Josie, can you hear
Mum?
me? I can't hear you, darling. Can you hear me?
Mum, what's going on?
Oh, there you are. Sorry, I'm trying out the hands-free. Over.
Mum, you don't need to say over.
Did you know they've closed the bypass? It's a Saturday and they've closed the bypass. Over.
Mum, you don't need to say over.
Well, it's just fun, isn't it? Over.
Look, Mum, I've had hiccups all day.
It's 11:30.
I went to yoga, held in a fanny fart, and it sent me into digestive shock.
What's a fanny fart?
What's a fanny? Well, Mum, it's a fart that doesn't come out your bum, but out your...
Oh, honestly.
It's just air.
Have you tried drinking water backwards or upside down or gurgling? Or is it backwards? No, it can't be backwards.
That's child's play, Mum. And I've Googled a man who had these for 68 years. Can you...
I don't think a few hours is comparable to 68. Bloody learner drivers!
Mum, can you just concentrate and please offer me like a nugget of advice?
Well, I'm doing the Saturday shop with cowboys. It's the Wild Bloody West out here. All right, fine. Look, what you need is a good fright, you know, someone to scare you. Over.
Right, so how do you propose I scare myself?
Oh, right, yes. I see. Hide in a cupboard? It's a red light! Fucking idiot! It's a red light! Red
Mum!
light! Stop!
Oh my God, please pick up, please pick up, please pick up, please pick up, please pick up.
Are they over? Over?
What? Mum, I thought you were over.
Well, you needed a proper fright, darling. So, are they? Over?
Yeah, I think they are over. Over.
Now you're getting it, darling. All right, over and out.